Okay, so I want to show you a few items. This is the Royal Worcestershire, and it's the lovely teaspoons, and you get a set of 6. And I'm always looking for some lovely teaspoons. So I want to show you these because they're really, really nice teaspoons. Let me just get it open. So you've got this lovely box with all the leaves, and then these are the stainless steel teaspoons. And as you can see, they have lots of motifs. So you've got a hedgehog, there's an owl, there's a rabbit here. So there's all these beautiful birds, foxes, and yeah, I just really like them. So nice to invest in some lovely teaspoons, and I love the length of them. So they're not like your normal teaspoons. These are great for when you got large cups stirring. You don't have to get your fingers dipped in that tea as when you're stirring away. So I really like those. I'll leave a link down below for these. So, you know, it's good to invest in some great quality products. I can't remember how much these cost, but I will leave the link so that if you're interested, you can get these. They do the forks as well, the cake forks as well, in this lovely design. So, right. Let's get to the point. This was my delivery today, and this is the lovely cheese board that I want to show you that I'm going to be using for New Year's. I'm just going to get this open. I can't wait to show you. I will leave a link down as well below for this cheese board because I think it is great myself. Oh wow, so I hope you can see that. We have the cheese board here, and then you have all of the cutters. You even have the little chalk and the labels as well, which you can put smoked cheese or whatever you have going on your cheese board. So let's get this open. So this is the cheese board party set with slate display signs. So this is basically what you get. So you get one narrow blade for the soft cheese, the wide spatula for crumbly cheese, the half heart knife, and that's for the hard cheese. And then you get the cheese fork for the medium soft cheese. You get 2 chalks, and you also get 2 display signs. So that's what you get. And this part of the board, you can just slot in to your cheese board and then pull it out like a little drawer. So it's all compact as well. So, and also just to let you know that it's also got these little feet as well on the cheese board. And it actually comes with these 2 ceramic dishes on the side. I didn't actually think it came with those, but it's pleasant to my surprise and not broken that they actually come with these little ceramic dishes for maybe you want to put in there some pate or maybe even some cranberry sauce, anything that you want. So, you know, options there for little dips on the side, which is great. Because I actually have made some beautiful homemade chicken liver pate, which I just love with crackers. So I'm going to be putting that in one of those. I've definitely unwrapped it now. So here we go. We have 2 ceramic pots, which I obviously didn't know you get. And obviously you would, if you do damage them or break them, you're going to have to get something that definitely fits in there. So I'm happy about that. You've got this little indent all around the chopping board for, and I say that would be great to display your crackers around here. And in the middle you can put your cheese, put some grapes, put some olives. I mean, you know, options. And then just have a look here. Wow, you've got your little drawer inside, and that can be removed and you can use these. And there you go. This is where your little slates are. And you get 2 of these, and they're very delicate, and it's really nice because, you know, you can write on these and then wipe it off when you want to use it for something else. So that's perfect. And they're just lovely little stone slates. I think they look nice, dipped in some cheese. You can put smoked cheese on there. So put those back here. And it's lovely that you've got this indent, so it's very easy to take out. And then here you're going to have your 2 pieces of chalk, and that's what you'll be using to write on the slate. So let's get these 2 open. There you go. So there's your 2 pieces of chalk. And obviously when these run out, you know, you can replace it with something else. And again, you've got that indentation to help you. I love all the indentations because it just helps you lift everything up with ease. It tells you what all these knives are for, so you know what you can use them for. And a little bit of packaging on there. But yeah, it's going to be great for using all of the tools, the proper tools for the cheese board. And what I love about it is it's so compact that when it's not in use, you can simply pack it up for the day and say bye-bye. And there you go. And easy to put them away. And I suppose you could put those somewhere else in storage and just keep your cheese board nice and safe and just keep using it for all those special occasions that you want to use your cheese board. So I'm going to be preparing my cheese board. I'm going to show you what I'm going to be using and how I'm going to be displaying it. So a package has just arrived and it's for the cats. And I can't wait to get this open. It's like a New Year present for them. Their old one got destroyed and I've replaced it with a new one. Let me just get this open and show you what's inside. So let's get it open. Woo, there we go. This is the cat tunnel. And they have like 2 little outlets that they can get out on either side here. And then I think that's a hole in there, but we'll see when we get it open. And these lovely little balls that hang out so that they can play with. And it's in this lovely leopard print. So can't wait to get this open and watch the cats play. I'm going to show you everything that I'm going to put in the cheese board. This is the prep. So I've got some grapes. I decided to go with green and red grapes. We've got a lovely trio of Spanish olives with all the herbs there. It's going to be lovely. I'm going to get a little dish for that. I've got some dips here. So a selection of dips there. So as you can see, cheese and chive, onion, garlic. So nice little selection there. Can't go without some lovely smoked salmon. Can't wait to get that open. Delicacy there. And some hummus as well to put in one of those little ceramic dishes. And we've got some brie here. And we've also got a selection of cheeses here. So you can see all of the French cheese there, mature cheddar. We've got some red Leicester, yeah, blue Stilton. So a little selection of cheeses there. Chicken liver pate I put in this container. This is homemade by myself. Can't wait. Some salami there. We've got some PAWZ crackers, different types. We've got 2 different types there. I've also got some breadsticks, optional, great for the dips as well. And I've also got some of these crackers as well, the multigrain. And we're going to put all of this. I'm going to use this dish for my olives and the 2 dips over there. One's going to have pate in and one's going to have probably the hummus in there and a little selection and all my crackers on the side. And let's do this. Okay, so I'm back and this is what we've got. We've got the lovely dips here, all lovely and open. So if you can see all of that. Some spare grapes over there, but then we've also got the grapes on the chopping board. Now this is what it's all looking like. So I've got all the breadsticks here, different kind of crackers there. we've got hummus, we've got cranberry sauce, we've got chicken liver pate, more crackers along the side here with the grapes, with some salami, with some beautiful luscious smoked salmon. I can't wait to dig into that. And then we've got the five selection of cheeses across here. Can't wait to try those. And then over here, the lovely trio Mediterranean Spanish olives over there. So this is the cheese board, and if you're thinking of creating something like this, I would recommend this lovely cheese board from Amazon Choice, which again has all your cutters. My three are getting ready to be washed. And then you've got these additional slates. You can actually use these, but you can stick them in your cheese, labeling them for anybody that wants to know what cheeses you're using, and then easily and softly just compactly slide that in, and there you go. And I am ready for New Year's lovely cheese board selection after all of those festive chocolates and all of that, you know, a lot of unhealthy food and cakes. It's just lovely to start the new year with some very light food. And yes, I can't wait to tuck in